Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. First of all, choose your country or region and you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you have forgotten your password and you wish to regain access into your account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login page. Just click on the trouble signing in button and then click on the recover your account option underneath I forgot my password or can't use my passkey option. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you used while signing up for your PlayStation account and then click on send link. You will then be asked to check your inbox, within which you will find the reset password link. So log into your email address and you will find an email from Sony which contains your password reset link. Go ahead and click on this link and you will be allowed to type in your desired new password. Type in your desired new password carefully and make sure not to forget it. And once you click on the reset password button, you will be able to use your newly set password along with your original email address to log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.